So this is shot in DLOG, and it's pretty grainy. There was a bit of light there. It was almost completely nighttime, and I then graded it with Rec 709, looking fairly reasonable. It's flashing a little bit because it was 25 FPS into a 30 FPS timeline. So this is night mode, which is defaulted to 30 frames per second. It's definitely looking really nice. I can't see any grain on the timeline. Just moving forward in the lake, rising up to about 90 meters. So night mode doesn't perform miracles when it's really dark, but if there's any light at all just after sunset, it looks fantastic. All the dark areas don't look grainy at all to me. So it's definitely really useful for illuminated areas. You just about see motorway in the distance, so any illuminated areas at night are going to look really good. And if there's any twilight, this is a bit dark, but it's pretty amazing that it can actually image this. Moving forward across the lake, I decided to turn around and have a look at the view of the town. See tiny rain showers in the distance. That looks absolutely amazing. Without doubt, any illumination is coming out perfect in the default normal mode. In the night mode, it'd be good to do a hyperlapse, I think, where you'd see the motion of any cars. That's a driving range, night driving range. Yeah, pretty amazing. Really happy with that. First time I've filmed at night, just getting a feel for it. It didn't look this bright at ground level, but as soon as you go to a higher elevation, there's more light. The sun's just reflecting off the cloud. So in the next shot it's at ground level and you cannot see that at all. No sun rays. Incredible how just 90 meter elevation you can see way more of the sunset. It's right on the boundary. So that is night shot mode with a Mavic 3 Classic. Very, very impressive.